Hi guys, my name is Margaret. I am a graduate student from Ukraine, 21 years old. We have a distance learning there. That's why all seminars and lectures are held in Zoom. My job also connected with the internet and writing, and I have to work with computer and phone again after long hours of learning. Anyway, I have been spending a lot of time with computer and I don't like this. As a result, I have a stiff neck, headache sometimes and background anxiety. But the good news is I do sport. Yesterday I was in the gym training my body, so today I feel tension in my arms, stiffness in my neck and the trapezius muscle.
Okay, I understand you. Your symptoms are widespread.
Ouch.
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 Now I am going to show cool message and chiropractic. Yes?
Let's go.
Okay, lie down. Make your hair.
Ouch. Ah!
Does it hurt?
Yes, of course.
Ouch, ouch. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out.
Oh,
Yes. Very good.
yes.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Oh. Oh.
This is problem.
Yes.
Does it hurt?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
I feel constant ache in this region.
Nice.
Yes. It's a problem zone. I feel ache, permanent ache in this area.
I feel.
Ouch. Oh.
Relax. It's okay?
Yes.
Very well.
Oh,
Oh, yes, yes.
great.
Nice. Now it's better?
Yes, much more better. Oh,
Does it hurt?
yes.
Relax, relax. Yes. It's good?
Yes. Oh. Oh, yeah.
It's problem zone.
Yes. Oh. It's okay. I
Be patient.
Oh, me.
Be patient. Relax, relax. Are you okay?
Yes.
Remember, it's short gear.
From other video. Ouch. Oh. Oh.
Soon will be better.
Oh.
Relax. Now it will be nice. Very good. Relax. Yes! Коронавирус. Let's go. Oh. Relax. Relax.
Oh. Oh.
Ouch. Are you okay?
Yes.
Good. Good. Maybe. Roll on the other side. Okay. Relax.
Oh.
Yes. Okay.
No.
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 Turn. Relax. Look on the top.
Oh. Oh.
Okay. Be patient. Be patient.
Please be more soft and gentle.
I'm maniac.
No. Oh.
Be patient. Oh,
Oh.
it's good.
Yes.
Do you feel better?
Yes.
Nice.
Oh.
Be patient.
Oh.
Be patient. Yes. Relax.
Oh. My leg.
Good leg.
Oh.
Be patient.
Oh.
Pain point.
Yeah.
Be patient.
Oh.
Be patient.
chiropractor Vitaly Kazakiewicz.